We are planning on doing Halloween decorating today. We're gonna decorate the whole house like Halloween. But first, toast and butter. Toast, toast and butter. Toast and butter. Toast, toast and butter.
We are orange. 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 Hello, baby too. Several a butter a cigarette. Another day. We got oranges.
Hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lina, if you haven't been here already. I have a very loud, almost 3-year-old, so you'll have to get used to that if you stick around and subscribe. Today we are doing a video. Today we're doing a video about fall decorating, right? Or Halloween decorating. Azara, please! Fall decorating or holiday decorating, Halloween decorating, whatever you want to call it. I prefer Halloween because like most of my decorations are Halloween decorations. I don't really...
Hi guys.
Halloween decorations. They're all in this bucket. They're all in this bucket. I have a lot of Halloween decorations I have accumulated over the years. This isn't all Halloween decorations, by the way, just like from here over, and that's not either. But anyway, what I plan on doing today is kind of like switching my whole living room around. Like I feel like I need some chi, I need some good energy flowing through my home, and I think I'm getting there. I just need to go like move my furniture around a little bit. I highly recommend you doing this. I really do believe in energies and furniture and home and all of that stuff. So I am going to move around my living room because ever since I've had my living room like this, which has been almost a year, I have not really felt really comfortable with the way it looks. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how it looks right now. This is how I have it set up right now. I took all of my decorations, all of my stuff. That's what's all over there. All that's on my dining room table for now. But yeah, I just don't like my couch up against the wall, and I don't like this because I feel like this piece of furniture, in Feng Shui they say that you need to have a flow of energy, right? And I feel like this blocks the flow of energy into the bedroom. So this needs to be away, and y'all know you need to get a good amount of flow into the bedroom. So y'all know what I mean. But that, and then so what I'm gonna do is I'm definitely moving that, and then this is gonna stay where it's at because I think that's in a good spot. I like where that's at. So if you guys want to stick around and watch me try to move this giant couch, it weighs about 1,000 pounds literally, but I'm gonna do that because I feel like it needs to be done. So stick around and let's get into it. Honestly, I don't know what to do with this little table. I don't know if I should leave it there with the lamp in the corner. Or, I don't know. I really like how this is looking though. I might have to move this around a little bit because I don't know. I feel like I need to move that around. I'm not really liking that too much. But I put what? That's your cape?
Yeah.
I put here, I wish I could find, if somebody could tell me what to do with all those cords back there. How do you like hide them? I don't know. I can't. I hate that. I kind of wish that there was like a board behind that so you can't see them. But I put my 2 salt lamps. This salt, excuse me.
What's this? What's that?
It's this candle wax. I put my both salt lamps. This one needs a cord and a lamp, light, so I'm gonna have to go get one of those. But that, I kind of like how that turned out. Other than of course the cords. But I still have a lot of stuff. I put my red flowers with just a little pumpkin and a candle right there. I love these candlesticks, but that candle holder that I had them in, they don't fit. So I don't know what to do with these guys because I don't have any other candle holders. But in my kitchen, I love this little shelf. I put a candle up there. This I got at Yankee Candle like 2 years ago, I think. And then of course I've got my candle, my pumpkin, my little witch shoes that have little lights in them. And then I put some leaves up there, but I'm not sure if I like it. I need to put something else up there. I need to put, it needs to be, I don't know. I'm not sure if I like that, but we'll see. So now I've got all this stuff. This goes in my room. My husband bought this. He was obsessed. He's like, I've got to get that pumpkin. So, this I think it's gonna go in Azura's room, this little pumpkin guy. This is like a candle thing, but I don't know. I got these yesterday because I'm gonna do a really cool thing outside with spider webs and lights. I bought these last year. These are necklaces for trick-or-treating. I bought these last year. They were like 90% off. It was like, you know, like 2 weeks after Halloween, and it was just thrown in there. So I bought these 3. I think I paid like 80 cents each for these. So that was pretty cool. This is all my Halloween makeup in here. I gotta organize that. That's a mess. I have this. I bought this a few years ago. Isn't this beautiful? But it's a table runner. But my husband doesn't like it. So he's like, I don't like that. But I love it, and I just don't know where to put it because I don't want to clutter it too much in here because I think it's looking really nice. And I like it kind of like simple like this. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this, but I really love it. I gotta figure something out. Maybe in my room on my dresser or something.
I got a cape.
You do? Let me see. Wow, look at you.
I'm a princess.
You are a princess.
You want to see I'm tall?
Yeah. Whoa. You're the spider princess.
Hey, it's okay.
I have so much stuff in here.
Open
This little vampire.
door.
He was actually part of a candle that broke.
Can I see?
Here, who wants to be a monster?
You.
Daddy wants me to do his makeup like the pumpkin. Oh, he's attached to a spider. Oh, I'll have to fix him up. My pumpkin guy. I might put him on my door actually. My front door, because I live in an apartment, so I don't really want, you know, I don't know. I don't want like a big wreath. Here's a spider. A little big spider guy. He used to like rattle and shake, but I think the cord got ripped out of him, but here's a skull. Ooh. And yeah, I mean, I've got a bunch of stuff in here still that I need to figure out where to put. I just don't know. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. This is a really cute Mickey Mouse mug. Oh, I'm like, what does that sound? My carpet is falling down back there. Oh yeah, here's my coasters. I gotta put, here's my coasters. Here's 3 of them. I don't know where the 4th one is. I gotta find it. Anyway, I'm gonna put these on my table.
I'm a princess.
These belong on our table.
I'm a princess, guys.
Coasters. And let me see. Wow.
Let me see my toe again. I'm
Yeah,
here.
let me see you twirl. Be careful of the table. Go ahead, twirl. Wow. What kind of princess are you? That's pretty much just what I'm doing today. It's just the living room and then cleaning everything else. Because I need to like deep clean the house before I decorate. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I have to like deep clean and organize the house before I can decorate. Because, you know, you want the full effect. But I also did some stuff on my porch. It's gonna be, I'm excited. Oh my phone, no. I'm excited about decorating my porch this year because I've got the webs, I've got the lights. It's gonna look really cool. But so far, I think you guys seen this in the last vlog. I didn't buy them. Actually, my husband's brother's mother-in-law gave them to us. Both of these beautiful mums. We bought the pots and she gave us the mums. So those are beautiful. My camera's gonna die, so I better hurry up. I've got this cute little pumpkin guy here. So yeah, that's just all we've got so far. I am planning on doing a whole beautiful
And now I'm princess.
decorations with cool
I'm
webs and
Princess
scary
Elsa.
stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys liked the aftermath, if you liked the aftermath.
Yeah.
If you liked how it looked after or before better, or if there's something that I could change around something that I did or I could change, let me know down in the comments and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!